Hello, and welcome to another Houzz Pro video tutorial. Today we'll be covering how to use the new life-size walkthrough in the Houzz Pro mobile app. With this life-size walkthrough, you can now show your clients in real time what a design will look like in the space you're working on. To begin, click on the triple bar on the top left corner of the app and select 3D floor plans. Next, press the new augmented reality button beside the floor plan you want to display. The direction of the green and white dot in this view represents the perspective you'll start with when beginning the walkthrough. Use two fingers to zoom in and out and to change the orientation of the room. Use one finger to change the position of the dot. When you're all set, press next in the top right corner. After scanning the floor of the room, you'll officially begin the life-size walkthrough. Simply point your device around the room you're in, and your 3D floor plan will be overlaid into the real-world space. If the room isn't quite aligned right, press the reposition button in the bottom right corner of your screen to adjust the position of the floor plan. Using the new Houzz Pro life-size walkthrough, you can reduce confusion about your plans and help your clients get your vision faster, saving time and headaches. We're excited to get this new update in your hands and hope this video tutorial will help you get one step closer to wowing your clients.